Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Janice. I'm so happy you decided to stop by and pay me a visit. And if you're new here, hi and welcome. Today I'm going to do some unboxings. I'm going to do my Boxycharm Base box and my Premium box for the month of May 2020. So if you're interested in seeing what I received, just keep watching. This is my base box. I'll show you how it looked like. I have opened these a couple weeks ago. Got it a while ago, but I've been busy, and I'll try to tell you briefly what's been going on with me. But we'll do it mingled in with the video here. But this is the base box, and you get 5 full-size products at $25 a month. First thing, I'm going to show you what I received, which was my choice. We get a choice each month of products to give us a few choices. And I chose by Glam Glow Berry Glow Facial Mask. And it looks really nice. I'm excited to use it. I haven't used it yet. Smells like berries. And it's kind of like a gel consistency. Yep, it's really nice. It is a mask, face mask. It smells good. Next thing I received is some makeup wipes by AM. I never heard of this brand. AM Beauty Care. It's Dead Sea Mineral Vitamin C wipes. Hope you can see me okay. Terrible lighting today. I may have to change my lighting. I think I will. Okay, changed my lighting. I hope that's a little better. Where was I? I was talking about the makeup wipes. It's a brand I've never heard of by AM, AYAM Beauty Care, and they're Dead Sea Mineral Vitamin C makeup wipes. Those sound nice. I guess you can never have too many makeup wipes. However, I don't use them really unless I'm going away or swatches or maybe a little mistake I do. But you know, I'll use them. So it's nice to get. And the next thing I received is something by Daily Concepts. It's a shampoo bar. Never heard of a shampoo bar before, but I know they're going to less packaging, less waste, so that part of it sounds nice. It's on a rope. I remember soap on a rope back when I used to sell Avon years ago. That was a hot item. I used to hang it in the shower, and it was right there. So this is the same concept. I like the smell of it. I heard some don't, but it smells earthy, like something organic. It's interesting. I may try it to see how I like it. I use special shampoos because my hair is so thick and coarse. But if I can't use it, my husband will use it. So that is shampoo on a rope. And that's 3 items so far. And next thing's by Pretty Vulgar. And this is an eye primer. I was really excited about getting this. I do use eye primer. I like to use eye primer. It helps settle my wrinkles and helps the eyeshadow stay on better. So yeah, and it looks like it's let's see here, I don't want to squeeze, a flesh tone. Yeah, you probably can't see it. I'm being awful frugal here. Let me put a little more on so you can see. So hopefully you can see that. Yeah, I pressure. Same color as my hand. Imagine that. It feels nice. It's nice and creamy. I'm excited to try this. So we'll give this a try. Actually, it blends out really nice. Oh, I'm smelling the the berries and the Glam Glow here. So it's 1, 2, 3, Or, oh yes, one more item here. Didn't get a card this month. They said something about they just want to get them packaged and sent out, so they didn't bother running to the printers to get cards made up, at least for most of us. So this is an eyeshadow palette. It is by Violet Voss. It's the Essentials Pro Series. It's very nice. It has a mirror, of course, and then a little plastic thing. Here are the colors. Okay, very nice colors. A nice, I wouldn't say it was neutral, but very pretty colors. Cream, sand, terracotta, gold, emerald, pink, dusty rose, plum berry, cinnamon, black. So a little bit of everything there. So I'm excited about getting that. I love getting eyeshadow palettes. Really enjoy it. It's one of my favorite things to get, is if I need more. Can't have too many, as far as I'm concerned. Okay, that is what I got in my Boxycharm Base box. And next, I'm going to show you what I got in my premium. It's a bigger box. And this one, you get 6 to 7. I'm not going to say 7 full-size prizes. I've never gotten 7. So 6 full-size products. So it's just one more for $35. Here's the box, and here's what's inside. Again, I did not get a card. I got a product from Skin & Co. It's Truffle Therapy, and there's an eye cream. Those are always nice to get. I don't need it, but I don't need anything. But I do enjoy eye creams. Look at that little tiny bottle in this huge box. It is eye concentrate. It's 15 mils, and I don't want to open it because once you open it, it starts going off. Next thing I got is by Pure Heals. I've never ever heard of this. I don't know what it is. Again, I didn't get a card. I can go on their website and check it out, which I haven't done yet. I've been a busy girl. I've been busy working. Here we are in this pandemic, and I'm working. It's by Nature Village. I assume it's some type of serum. What else could it be? Oil? Serum? Let's see here. Here's the bottle. It's a dropper. And it's glass. Gotta quit smelling my hand. It smells like the Glam Glow Berry. It smells earthy also. Well, I can't tell. It feels like a serum to me. Can't see nothing. It's clear. I don't know why I'm showing you. And this is really cute. This is by Tarte. I have heard of them. I love Tarte. It's one of my favorite makeup brands. It's their Sugar Rush line. It is the Best Bud Lip Butter Balm. But all we can wear nowadays, I mean, unless I'm doing videos or, I don't know, we gotta wear masks, so, oh well. But balm comes in handy. And isn't it adorable? Got a little flower on top, and smells like a cupcake. I love balms. I'll pop that in my purse. I think I'm the bee's knees. Putting this on with a pretty little flower pot. I love the packaging. Look at that inside. There's little flowers. Looks like a diamond. I like pretty packaging. I'm a sucker for it. And we got something from Kat Von D. It must be running out this packaging because now it's KVD Beauty. And it is a 24-hour super brow long wear pomade. I don't wear that at all, but it's in dark brown. It is my color. but I've never worn a pomade. I wear a little eyebrow pencil and that's good to go. I wear bangs, plus I have nice thick brows, so I just have to shape them up a little bit with the tweezers. I actually scissor them because they're so long and thick. And then the little pencil and spoolie. And last but not least, which I was really happy I got this, is something from Too Faced. It's Natural Matte Eyeshadow Palette. I just love the way this is packaged. It's really, of course, I have beautiful packaging. And just go in the box. And let's see here, pull it out. And here is the palette. Got a little heart on it. Nice heavy duty plastic, mirror, and shadows. And it is all matte and it's neutrals. You got a cream, a light pink, like a light peach, and of course different colors here. So it's nice for an everyday wear. Since I've been working, I have been going pretty neutral on my eyes shadow, you know. But today I wore this, but I'm a dog groomer, so it doesn't matter. I can be crazy. I do like the add of this little pamphlet in there. It kind of gives me some ideas. Sometimes I lack ideas of how to do my eyeshadow, but I do enjoy getting these little pamphlets, and that's one thing I like about Too Faced, that they do kind of help us gals who need a little help. The other help I can get. My goodness, oh, I love the smell of this. I just realized this smells so good. That's the eyeshadow palette. Again, I'll give it one quick look. And that is 6 items, I'm sorry. 6 items for $35. I think it's well worth my money. I'm gonna use everything but the pomade, so yeah, it's good. Is it the best box that I've ever received? I don't know. I've never, since I joined the premium box, I'm a little disappointed. I expected more from them, but then they're nice, so I'm not gonna quit them. But it's nice. Now my base box, it was okay. It's not my favorite, but it's nice. So I'm pretty happy this month with Boxycharm. Not over the moon, and to complain. I appreciate them. I love Boxycharm. I've been with them for many years now, and I keep threatening to quit. I just don't seem to want to. I did quit the Luxe. I just don't feel I need that much makeup. I have so much makeup, they're coming out of my ears. Does that make sense? No. I just have a lot of makeup. And I know I do these unboxings for you guys, so you know what's in the box, but I had to watch my budget, gals. So yeah, I just cut that out. It's okay. Yeah, I'm okay. But that is my video for the Boxycharm Premium and Base Box. I don't know what variation I got in either one. I have no idea. I don't really care. Sorry if you do, but I know I've seen quite a few, and it's been quite a mixture in both. But I'm happy. And if you want to go ahead and sign off on this video now, that's okay, because I'm just going to briefly tell the ones who want to stay what's been going on in my life real quick. So again, I just want to thank you for clicking on my video and watching, and hope you do subscribe and like me and like the video. And yes, don't forget to hit that notification bell, because if you don't, you're going to lose me in the YouTube land of videos. Many millions of videos. So hopefully you will do that for me and for yourself. Okay, for those who want to know what's been going on, well, after the pandemic, just before it, I started looking for work. I put in a couple applications and I did get hired at a groomer's. I might have said this in another video. I don't know if I posted or not, but I'll just recap in case you heard it before. I started a grooming salon just down the street, like maybe 3-4 blocks from me. It's walking distance. I worked 3 days, and then of course our governor shut our state down, and along with many other states, we got, closed for the virus. So I had also put another application at a grocery store for a bakery job, and then I got called a week later for that, so I went ahead and got that one. It was in the bakery, and I was a cake decorator, and I did that probably for about 5 weeks. Well, meanwhile, we opened up the grooming salon curbside, so she called me back to that job. So I thought, well, I'll do both jobs. Well, I got a little too much. That's why you haven't seen me, because I'm exhausted. So I was doing both jobs. Well, just recently I went ahead and told the bakery that I didn't want to keep that job, that, I had another job that I wanted to keep. So anyway, to make a long story short, I'm dog grooming, and I can groom 6 days a week if I want. That's how busy we are. So I've been doing at least 5 days. And the days I get home, I'm exhausted. Man, we've had a lot of doggies in. They're way overdue. So this is why you haven't seen me. And I'm very rusty on doing these videos. So I'll probably go back and edit this and saying, boy, I was all over the place. But I wanted to hurry up and film these, so I'm just doing it and getting them up so you know that I'm not dead. I'm still alive. I'm going to do some more here in a minute. So I'm going to go ahead and sign off for now. And I hope all of you are well and healthy and keeping safe. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye.